gonna be opening
the constellation.
Constellation, Hacipupu.
Not Habubu. Hacipupu.
Hacipupu, I mean.
Yay. Okay. Not poo-poo. Cool. Baby, not like that. You're gonna ruin my box.
I don't like
Oh,
the box.
let me just show them there's a 12 zodiac sign.
I'm Cancer.
Can you see it?
And he's
I don't know.
Capricorn. Capricorn.
Capricorn.
Capricorn.
It's a blind
What
box.
about you?
I am Aries. Hold on.
Sorry I yelled.
It's okay.
Ah.
Ready? Okay, let's pick one each.
Can I close my eyes?
12. Ready?
You count to 12.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's go pick one, baby. Okay, ready?
I can stop.
Okay, ready? Let's cheers. Cheers.
Okay, 1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Uh-oh. Slowly, baby.
I
Don't
already
rip too much, okay? You're gonna rip my box. What do I get? The card. Pisces!
I got. And these are the Capricorn ones.
Taurus.
Woohoo! Taurus. How about you? She got Leo.
Leo.
Can you give me the card?
Oh, here.
Ooh, okay. Okay, 1 second.
Can I know you.
Stop. Ready? Go.
Here.
Oh my god, it's so small. I thought it's gonna be big. I thought it's gonna be big, but it's so small.
You still got it at least.
This is so cute. Look.
Say that. Goodbye, baby.
Oh my goodness.
I got a cow.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
Ready? Let's
Sorry.
do.
Sorry for being
Let's
weird.
do the stop.
I am
One,
weird though.
Doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3.
I got
You
the
ready?
middle.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, ready? 1.
Wait.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
Oh.
Oh, you okay?
That's
I
kind of hard.
got. But you. Scorpio.
I got
Virgo. That's your daddy, baby. Virgo is your papa.
Oh.
Hold on. And then what you got?
I didn't get my card out yet.
You got Cancer. Oh my God, that's you. Wow.
I got it. I
You
got
got
it
your
by
own-
myself.
You got your own
I smelled my cancer.
What?
I smelled my cancer.
Crazy. Ready? 1,
I already opened it.
3. Woo! My goodness.
Can I keep my cancer?
Wait, what did I
Yeah,
get
you
again?
can keep your
Can I
Cancer.
keep my cancer?
I got Virgo?
You
Can
got
I-
no Virgo.
Can I keep my cancer?
Yes, you can keep your Cancer. Virgo.
Yeah.
Yeah, your papa, Virgo. Oh my goodness.
Wait, am
Emily,
I?
what is wrong with you?
Wait, am I crab out?
No, why did they have nachi? Oh my god, this one had nachi.
Can I see? Can I see?
You see the nachi?
Can I see?
Yeah, you have it too. Why you want to see your nachi?
There's no nutty.
Yeah, right there. It's all nachi. Ooh.
Can I have
Let's try it. One more.
I got my cancer.
2 more, Ashley. Oh, you wanted this? Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, 3 more.
I want different.
Do,
One.
do, 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 do. Why don't you do this thing?
ASMR.
Ah, what does that
I
mean?
wanted a different
Oh,
one.
SMR.
I don't know
Oh,
what
yeah,
that
I want a
means.
different one.
Okay, pick a different one. Oh my god,
The
everybody.
middle.
Okay, good.
So
Ready?
nice.
1,
Wait.
2, 3. It'll be cool that if we pick our own, you know, our own
me-
zodiac.
I
You
got
did.
it.
I know you did. What is mine?
I'm gonna make a little dance move later on.
Capricorn. Aww.
You want?
Sagittarius.
Capricorn.
That's me.
I know. You wanna open this?
I thought
Yeah,
you
you take this.
Okay, here. And then this is, and then he got Sagittarius.
Yes.
It's okay. Open.
You can still have it, right?
Can I open it?
1 second, baby. Let's wait for your sister. Okay. What do you get?
She
got Libra.
Can I see Libra? Is it you?
No, I am Aries.
Ah,
Ooh.
I'm so
One.
rare, right?
Yeah, you're so
Yeah,
right.
you're so rare.
2, 3.
I didn't
I
open
can't
it.
rip mine. Okay, now I do.
Ooh, what is this? Oh my god, this is so cute, Everett.
What about mine?
Oh, everything is.
I have
Oh my
earrings.
god. Look,
I have
he has a-
earrings.
He got earrings. Whoa, this is so cute. Look, this one have a wings.
Can I see?
Yeah.
So
I
can I? Wait,
I
can I?
want to see.
Huh?
Can
Yeah.
I still have this?
No, only one. You said you could only take one, Emily, okay? It's mommy toys. Okay, ready? Last box. Okay, ready? Last box. Let's see if we get the, I don't think we get the, see, why do you guys fight it?
I got it.
I think we get the,
one.
the angel. Nearly Chow Shie says, isn't it?
Is that?
There's the secret one, but
Wait,
it's one in
I
140.
think. Wait, did you get the secret one?
No, we didn't get it yet.
No,
Okay,
wait.
let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,
three,
4. Hopefully, if I get the Aries, that would be really rare.
You haven't got Aries yet?
Is that?
Hey! Oh my god! Woo. Maybe you get the angel one. I don't think I care for the other sign.
I got
Gemini. But this is really nice.
Look
This
at
is
Mama.
Where's the angel?
Aquarius.
Can I
Huh?
open
Is
it?
no angel?
No, we didn't get the secret one. Man, because sometimes if I buy the whole thing, then you get a secret one maybe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But then sometimes you get a secret one. But right here, secret is the angel. Where
Can
is
I
it?
open it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
3. Oops.
I did open it right.
Look at the Aries. What is
Ew.
wrong with this? What happened?
Did we
This
just
is cute.
Why
Look.
did I get it? Did I get it again? Did I get it again?
No, this is like a Ito.
Is this an angel?
No, it's not angel. Angel have a wing. Look, we both have a horn, but mine is so small. Look at this. So cute.
Because I'm a Capricorn. You know those things that.
Yeah, I have those too.
Mama, can I put
Let's-
it?
let's-
Can I put it on my backpack?
No.
Oh.
Look. Yay. Oh, I have to open the, where's my Molly cup?
What free?
Where's my,
Here.
what is wrong with you?
What did I? Can we open our freebie now?
What freebie?
So it's
And this is my Molly mug. Let me open mine.
Mommy,
Where's
I
yours?
got. I don't. Demon Slayer Popmart minifigure, whatever you call it.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, open it.
anime.
I can open it right now.
Yeah, open it. And then
What about me?
this is
I
the
don't know how to open it.
this is a Molly mug too.
I don't know
You
how
know
to
what
open
is this
it.
cooler?
I don't know how to open it.
What did I get? Oh, I don't
Oh,
know.
green! Yay! I like green. Okay, here. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, why is there so much?
You know what is this cool?
What is this?
Here, look.
Look what I got.
What is that?
I don't know.
Where
You
is
can
it?
keep it. I got a shoe.
Where?
I don't know.
Where is it?
And then they're here.
Oh, I was like, what is it? Here.
Can I keep it?
Yes.
If I didn't unbox anything.
Why does it have that thing in there?
Mama,
What?
This thing.
Why did I?
Maybe a gift or something?
I don't know. Maybe
Look.
it's Yeah.
It's not fair.
Whoa,
I
so
didn't get.
cool.
I didn't get.
Can we
unbox
not-
anything.
My goodness.
So I'm gonna be assembling this. I forgot what it's called. I
I
can't.
don't know.
Jap-
Damn it.
It's Japanese. Is that how you make it? Where's the box?
Mug.
Where's the box?
I don't know.
I'll just look at this.
This is my mug.
This is mommy's bag.
What?
Oh my goodness. Look at this. You could do this too.
I need this.
Why do you take off the head also?
I don't know. Look, and then you could. This is so cool.
I got mommy
So
cup.
we're gonna put on the
Nice.
I don't know whatever they're called.
Can we like,
Yeah.
you wanna do it? Okay. Okay, Emily. Where's your mug? Let me. No, where's your? Thank you. Show it.
Today, mommy,
Go closer,
cup
you can
has a magnet.
Ooh, so cool, huh?
Extend.
This thing.
Wee.
Look, it's a both is Molly, baby Molly. Oh,
Mommy
look at
cup.
this.
It's mommy mug.
Look,
Okay,
wait.
okay.
Can
got
I
it?
see? Can I see? Can I see? Can I
Okay.
see?
This is like a painting.
Can
Whoa, whoa!
I have it? Can I see it? It's cool. It makes
Look
me
at
You
it.
do this like this, baby. Look.
I'm painting.
You do it like look. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Where's my? Oh, here's the. Look at this.
How do we make black again?
What happened?
How do we make black?
Say bye.
Bye.